If you have a Ring doorbell that you want to hardwire into a traditional Westminster type chime like the Craftmade 8-note chime, Craftmade will tell you that their devices are not compatible with Ring. And the reason is because when you have anything more than just a simple connecting ding dong and it uses an IC chip like this does to play a note sequence mechanically through bells, the way they're wired, it won't allow you to send power to your Ring doorbell. Now, as you know, with the Ring doorbell, with the various different versions, if you hardwire it, you're sending the two little wires to it that are going to be sending anywhere from 8 to 19 volts. Now, the general transformer is 16 to 19 volts of AC power. And when you have your Ring doorbell powered, hardwired, the little round ring will light up white to let you know that it's receiving power. But when we connected this Craftmade 8-note Westminster doorbell, what we found was that the way the instructions tell you to wire it is it was not sending power to the Ring doorbell. And if you go into your doorbell settings on Ring, into your chime settings, you can choose to have it ring a mechanical doorbell, which we did get it to do. And you could press the button and it would set off the indoor mechanical chime. The issue though is that we couldn't figure out how to send power to it. So after some intense investigation, I figured out there's something that's called, it came in this little bag called a Ring Power Kit. I will put a link to this down into the description where you can order it on Amazon or just search for it because I think it's a discontinued item. I found it for $5 measly. Now we're doing some construction here. That's why this all is paint doing, but we wanted to get this installed. And so I want to show you real quickly what this little device looks like. It's just a tiny little transformer and how it's wired. Okay, this is the Ring Power Kit. Now you have these two little jumper wires, one of which is going to one of the AC lines. So this is AC and AC. And then this is the front chime. Now with an advanced doorbell like this, you have a front, back, and side access. So you can have different Ring notes for different doors, but ignore these. Just consider this to be the front. And the way this is wired is that you've got your power coming in, which is, low voltage AC, so it won't shock you. And then you're just tagging this little power kit here. This goes between the one AC line and then the doorbell. And what it's doing is it's allowing this to backfeed and send power to the doorbell. This has a little tape on it where you can just tuck it, but you can just tuck it in there, it'll be fine. See, we're just gonna tuck it in there because this up here is where this cover box goes and the bells mount. But the interesting thing here is that is, notice that you've got your AC lines, 1 and 2, and then your trigger lines coming from here to the front door, and then this going between it. And now we can verify that it works. Let's put it all back together and we'll show you. Before we actually put it back together, I'll just demonstrate it quickly. The thing that you're looking for here is that this is lit up white. If I can zoom in on this. All right, that's the important thing. This must be lit up white, that you're getting power. All right, now, if I press this, it's gonna set off the Ring on my phone. So I've disabled my Wi-Fi so it won't set off my phone, but it will also set this off. So this thing is playing its notes, okay? And it's also setting off all the other chimes in the house. All right, let's go ahead and put it back together. Okay, quick little side note I want to mention about the Craftmade. I've noticed in the comment sections on Amazon and where these are sold, the biggest complaint is that these little tabs are missing. These are like little vinyl tabs that hang the bells. They're probably taped to the inside of the box and you just didn't notice it. We found them inside the box, but a lot of people complain that they're missing. If you order the Craftmade and it's missing, just use long paper clips, metal paper clip that goes here that will connect there and it'll work just fine. But these are the tabs. It's just a little thing that holds the bell. Let's go ahead and put the cover on here and we'll demonstrate it working. Okay, we have the cover. That thing is like ceramic, and I want to mention that it is absolutely huge. Now, never mind this, we're remodeling after a fire, so that's why this had to be replaced. The original was melted and we have to replace these doors. I'm just explaining that so you don't wonder why my door looks like that. But anyway, this thing is gigantic. It takes up a lot of space, and so in retrospect, we probably should have put it like over there. So where, this is where the original doorbell was, but just keep in mind if you order this thing, It is huge. So keep that in mind when you are buying and mounting this thing. It's also very heavy. All right, let's demonstrate it. And you can choose in your ring settings, by the way, whether or not it rings the electronic chimes or the mechanical chime. But here we go. There it is, the 8-note Westminster chime, just like Big Ben. Look, kids, it's Big Ben. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. This is the Craftmade 8-note Westminster chime with the Ring Pro and Power Kit. That's how you do it, folks.